face wash for men and a face scrub for men are great tools to have in your men's skincare products regimen. But when should you use one or the other? To help break things down for you, we'll look at differences between both, and then we'll discuss when and how to use each one. Some men confuse a face wash with a face scrub, and some men have never used either one. These products are part of a basic skincare routine for men and complement each other. If you've never tried these products, now's the time you'll be impressed with the results. What's a men's face wash? A face wash, Acne facial wash or facial cleanser for men is basically a liquid facial cleanser. It's different from bar soap because it uses gentle liquid cleansing ingredients instead of detergent elements bound together with fatty substances. You want a face wash that removes impurities, but not the natural soft emollients the skin has or that it overdries the skin. The Men's Science Daily Face Wash is a professional-grade product that is formulated with salicylic acid in addition to gentle cleanser and conditioners. Salicylic acid is unique because it can clear pores and skin of oily residues. What's a men's face scrub? The difference between a men's face wash and a men's face scrub is that a scrub has small particles and other ingredients to help physically exfoliate the top layer of dead cells from the skin. A face scrub should be effective and gentle at the same time. The Men's Science Microfine Face Scrub contains dermatological-grade glycolic acid, the gold standard used by dermatologists to help exfoliate the skin. The glycolic acid softens the bonds between the dead skin cells, so they are easily removed by the exfoliating particles. In addition to glycolic acid, the Men's Science Face Scrub uses soft and rounded miniaturized exfoliating beads. The larger, rougher beads used in some men's facial scrubs can damage the skin. When and how to use a face wash for men. Most men should use a face wash daily, in the morning while in the shower, and before shaving one's face. Wet your face with lukewarm water and lather evenly over your entire wet face and neck, and gently massage for about 10-20 seconds. To completely cover your face and neck, you will need about a teaspoon of product. You can lather with your hands, or if you want better results, you can try Men's Science Face Buff Brush. If you have oilier skin or have been sweating, exercising, or exposed to a dirty environment, you can also repeat in the evening. Another alternative, if you want to cleanse your face before going to bed, is to use a facial toner like the Men's Science Face Tonic. When and how to use a face scrub for men. A face scrub can be used every other day instead of using a face wash, and you should at least use it 2-3 times per week. Apply a small amount of product gently to the face and neck area. For best results, start by using the product for a few seconds the first few days and gradually increase the time that you massage the product, up to 1 minute. Focus on the main areas of the face: forehead, cheeks, temple, chin, neck, side of the nose, avoid the mouth, and the eye area since the skin is too delicate. Use a face scrub before shaving to help prepare your beard and give you better results as the hair stubs stand up and follicles open up. Use a face scrub regularly, as your skin will get used to the exfoliation and you will see results improve with time. Also remember that exfoliating removes the upper dead skin cell layers of the skin, so your skin might be more sensitive to the sun. As a rule, remember to stay out of the sun after exfoliating or use a sunscreen for men. Additional tips: always follow the application of a face wash or a face scrub for men with the application of an anti-aging product. Now that your skin has been exfoliated and new skin cells are showing up, these will free radical protection that a good anti-aging product for men can give you. We are going to end this video right away. If you have any query or information to share, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching.